You know that e-commerce business that's been living in your head for months? Wix Harmony is how you actually make it happen. So to show you this, I'm building a fragrance brand. I just type what I want and hit generate. And look at that. After the first prompt, I've got a business-ready store built. But this is a really cool part because most AI website builders keep you stuck in this chat box where you have to send text prompts in order to change anything in the website. But with Wix, I can just grab it, drag it, and it's done. Full design control, which is pretty cool. And everything you need to build a proper professional business website is already built in. I just took this photo and Wix turns it into a studio quality pack shot. It also writes all of my product descriptions. And then I can open up the dashboard and talk to Aria, Wix's built-in AI agent that connects to all of my revenue streams. Hey Aria, connect my domain. Done. Add bookings for custom sent consultations. Set up the Fragrance Club membership and enable payments. Seriously, look at this. It's not just a store anymore, it's a complete business. And that's literally it. You can go from an idea to a fully functioning business without touching another tool. Wix Harmony is the full e-commerce solution. Go and check it out for yourself.